how I use the Oxford Dictionary to improve my pronunciation. Hello, everyone. How are you? Today, I want to share with you one of the tools that's helped me that most in the English learning journey, the Oxford Online Dictionary, especially to improve my pronunciation. At first, I was afraid to speak it because I didn't know if I was pronouncing words correctly. Uh, but when I discovered this dictionary, I realized it's a simple, free, and very complete tool. Uh, this is how I use it. First, I research for a word uh, I want to learn to or practice. It can be a new word or one I uh, already know, but I'm not sure how to pronounce. Second, the dictionary shows me two pronunciation options. One in British English and another in American English. Uh, this allows me to hear the difference and choose which one I want to practice. Uh, Third, I repeat the word several times, uh, imitating the audio. I try to copy the rhythm, the accent, and the intonation as closely as it possible. Or if the word is hard for me, I write it down in the notebook along with its phonetic transcription. That way, I can review it again later. And finally, I try to use the word in a short sentence, also repeating it out loud. Uh, this way, I not only practice pronunciation, but also the context in which the word can be used. Since I started using this dictionary, I feel more confident when I speak, and I'm not so afraid of pronouncing words incorrectly anymore. It's not magic, but it's really helpful. Uh, and the best part is that you can use it from your phone or computer anytime during the day. So if you're learning English like me, I highly recommend trying it out. It will help you a lot. Thanks for watching this video. See you very soon. Keep practicing.